Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today we are going to discuss about the 25th DAX function in our channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do watch our previously discussed 24 DAX functions in Power BI, how they are used and how they are implemented. Those videos link or the playlist for the whole video series link is provided in the description box. You can watch it whenever you want. And moreover, we are requesting you to provide your valuable feedback in the comment box so that we can improvise our video in the upcoming videos. In this series, we have discussed what are the top 8 Power BI DAX functions which is used in day-to-day life, and in which we have completed date and time functions, information function, text functions, logical functions, and currently we are dealing with a series of parent and child DAX functions, in which we have already discussed path function, path item function, path item reverse function. Now today in this video of this series, which is the last function which we are going to discuss, is about path length function. We are going to discuss detail about path length function, and each and every function which you have mentioned earlier, which is like logical, text, informative, and date and time. Each and every DAX function have their own subset of functions. All these things are discussed clearly in our video. Please do watch it and share to your friends who are all learning the Power BI, or like who want to become a pro in DAX functions. It will be useful for them. So let's start with the today's video. Before jumping into our video, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you are going to get the video notification in upcoming when we are going to upload it. Let's start with the today's function. So you can see in our whole canvas we have mentioned the path item reverse. So today we are going to see the path item length function. So for that I am going to create a new column here in the hierarchy table, and I am going to name it as path item length. Is equal to path item length. You can see it says it returns a number of items in a particular string. This function returns one for the path generated for an ID at the top or root of the hierarchy. This is how this path function works. So now what I'm going to give is, it says after the syntax is giving the path. So we have already created a path. So I'm going to give the path for that one, that particular column only. I'm going to close the bracket and hit enter. Let's see what the values we are going to get. Yeah, see here we have got the number 1 2 3 4. How this is determined is nothing but, see, this is, we have only one path, this is the one. Here we have Dhoni and Kohli, so we have 2, and last we have Pandya, Rohit, Kohli and Dhoni, we have 4. This is how the path item length function works. Ideally it will help you to identify the length of the path which is available in the path which we have created. Hope you have understood this formula or the DAX function. If you have not understood, if you have any queries, please do reach out to us via our WhatsApp or like through our comment box or through our email. We are ready to assist you in any platforms. And moreover, we are happy to tell you that we have already completed 24 different days of formula, and also in our channel we have also provided Excel formulas, SQL, Python, and a lot of other IT related stuffs. If you are interested to watch more, please post your interested areas to learn. We will create a video on that, and moreover we have created a poll on our channel. Please vote, and whichever is getting the more percentage of poll, we are going to create a video series on that as well. Thank you for watching Google Tech. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from me. Thank you and Jai Hind.